Again, if you got to this section of the notes, we're on problem number 21. I'm not going to say they're easy questions, but they're good questions. They really are. You don't see this in a standard algebra class anymore. So when a farmer purchases a certain number of pigs, sheep, and cows, I'm going to say X is the number of pigs. Sorry about that. X is the number of pigs, Y is the number of sheep, and Z is the number of calves, okay? And what do I know about this? The pigs cost $4 each. The sheep are $7 each. The calves are $9 each. And he spent $138 on it. It goes on to say, and the whole number of animals purchased was 23. So X plus Y plus Z is 23 animals in all. What I would do is I'd eliminate probably a Z in the problem by multiplying the second equation by 9. Let me see about that. I'm going to do minus 9. And what would you get? Minus 5x minus 2y. And I got to do the arithmetic now. So 9 times 23 is 180 and 27. That's 207. And I'm going to do 207 minus 138. That's going to be 62, 69. Yep, minus 69. I don't like that. They're negative numbers. I'll multiply both sides by minus 1. You get 5x plus 2y is equal to 69. And I do see that. I see that right there. What's the GCF between 5 and 2 is 1. It divides 149. I'm good. I'm sorry. I made a mistake in the notes, by the way. So I'm going to erase this over here. I notice I made a mistake. This should not read 149. That should read 69. So let me cross this out, and I will correct that. You're not going to see that. It should say 69. We have a linear Diophantine equation. What do? I solve for y. Let's make sure I did that right. Y, 69 minus 5x over 2. Looking good. Here's the problem. I need that divided by 2. And I got to be honest with you, it looks really easy right from the get-go. It looks like x could be 1. I'll write that down for you. And why is that? 69 minus 1 would be what? That would be 64 divided by 2, which would be 32, right? You know what? That doesn't make any sense, does it? But I wouldn't worry about it. And I'll tell you why it doesn't make any sense. There's only 23 animals, right? It couldn't have y of those things. Anyway, let's not worry about it. What I'm going to worry about is the slope now. What's the slope going to be? It's going to be minus 5 over 2. And we got to start doing our marching, all right? So let's put this down. And I really got to reduce that y, don't I? I don't want to go up in size. 32. Go down by 5. What would that give you? 27. 22. Well, 22 is the first possibility. What do you get next? Let's see, 17. It's a lot of writing, isn't it? Let's see, 12. Geez, I'm going into the next question. 7 and 2. All right? Now let's go up by 2 on this guy. So what are you going to get? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Let me see if we did that right. Up by 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. And you know what? I think I can start writing the z's down pretty quickly too. And why is that? The sum of them has to be 23. So I'm going to say out of the question, out of the question, out of the question, out of the question. 9 plus 12 is 21. What would z be? Again, it's got to be 23, right? So 23 is our number, our marking number. 21, that's going to be 2. Let's do 11 and 7 is 18. That's going to be 5. We'll check the answer key later. 13 and 2 is 15. That's going to be 8. All right? Let's take a look at it, and let's see if we got those answers. Okay, do we get 9, 12, 2? 9, 12, 2. Did we get 11, 7, 5? 11, 7, 5. Did we get 13, 2, 8? 13, 2, 8. We're doing okay. All right? Now, granted, I'm getting a little more sloppy in the problem set. I'm not writing so much down, but I do need to make a correction over here. And hopefully I'll remember to do that, okay? Thank you.